Good evening. This is Akashwani Kohima. I am Kuku with the evening news. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauds Indian soldiers for precision strikes during Operation Sindoor. Drone DDs bringing new revolution in agriculture, sugar boards being installed in schools, and protection of honey bees also find mention in today's Mann Ki Baat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairs meeting on good governance with chief ministers of NDA-ruled states, and Nagaland Chief Minister Dr. Niphu Ryo attends NDA Chief Ministers Conclave in New Delhi. Now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today stated that Operation Sindoor has lent a new confidence and enthusiasm to the fight against terrorism across the world. Addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashwani, Mr. Modi praised the valor displayed by armed forces during Operation Sindoor. He lauded the precision and accuracy with which armed forces destroyed the terrorist hideouts across the border. He said the whole country is united against terrorism today and filled with resolve to end it.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान हमारी सेनाओं ने जो पराक्रम दिखाया है, उसने हर हिंदुस्तानी का सिर ऊंचा कर दिया। जिस सटीकता के साथ हमारी सेनाओं ने सीमा पार के आतंकवादी ठिकानों को ध्वस्त किया, वो अद्भुत है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने दुनिया भर में आतंक के खिलाफ लड़ाई को नया विश्वास और उत्साह दिया।
Mr. Modi noted that Tiranga Yatras were organized in many cities, villages and small towns of the country. Thousands of people came out holding the tricolor to honor the country's armed forces. In many cities, large number of youth came together as civil defense volunteers.
देश के कई शहरों में तिरंगा यात्राएं निकाली गई। हजारों लोग हाथों में तिरंगा लेकर देश की सेना, उसके प्रति वंदन अभिनंदन करने निकल पड़े। कितने ही शहरों में सिविल डिफेंस वॉलंटियर बनने के लिए बड़ी संख्या में युवा एकजुट हो गए। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने देश के लोगों को इतना प्रभावित किया है कि कई परिवारों ने इसे अपने जीवन का हिस्सा बना लिया है।
The Prime Minister stressed that Indian soldiers destroyed terror bases with indomitable courage with weapons, equipment and technology made in India. He said this also included the resolve of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Mr. Modi credited the hard work of engineers and technicians for this victory. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the Northeast is extraordinary. The Prime Minister was speaking about the recently organized Rising Northeast Summit in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashwani today. He mentioned crafted fibers, saying it is a beautiful confluence of Sikkim's tradition, the art of weaving and fashion. Crafted Fibers was started by a person who is a veterinary doctor by profession.
क्राफ्टेड फाइबर्स ये सिर्फ एक ब्रांड नहीं, सिक्किम की परंपरा, बुनाई की कला और आज के फैशन की सोच, तीनों का सुंदर संगम है। इसकी शुरुआत की डॉक्टर चेवांग नोरबू भूटिया ने। पैसे से वो वेटरनरी डॉक्टर है और दिल से सिक्किम की संस्कृति के सच्चे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर। उन्होंने पारंपरिक बुनाई को मॉडर्न फैशन से जोड़ा।
Touching upon the subject of drone DDs, the Prime Minister said women in Sangareddy district of Telangana are spraying pesticides on 50 acres of land with the help of drones.
गांव वालों ने भी इस परिवर्तन को दिल से स्वीकार किया है। अब ये महिलाएं ड्रोन ऑपरेटर नहीं, स्काई वॉरियर्स के नाम से जानी जाती। ये महिलाएं हमें बता रही हैं, बदलाव तब आता है जब तकनीक और संकल्प एक साथ चलते हैं।
Prime Minister spoke about sugar boards being installed in some schools. The aim of this unique initiative of CBSE is to make children aware of their sugar intake. Mr. Modi hailed this unique effort.
सीबीएसई की इस अनोखी पहल का उद्देश्य है बच्चों को उनके शुगर इंटेक के प्रति जागरूक करना। कितनी चीनी लेनी चाहिए और कितनी चीनी खाई जा रही है, ये जानकर बच्चे खुद से ही हेल्दी विकल्प चुनने लगे हैं। ये एक अनोखा प्रयास है और इसका असर भी बड़ा पॉजिटिव होगा। बचपन से ही स्वस्थ जीवन शैली की आदतें डालने में ये काफी मददगार साबित हो सकता है।
Talking about World Bee Day, celebrated on the 20th of this month, the Prime Minister said he observed that during the last 11 years, a sweet revolution has taken place in beekeeping in India.
20 मई को वर्ल्ड बी डे मनाया गया। पिछले 11 वर्षों में मधुमक्खी पालन में भारत में एक स्वीट रिवॉल्यूशन हुआ है। हम हनी प्रोडक्शन और एक्सपोर्ट में दुनिया के अग्रणी देशों में आ चुके हैं। इस पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट में राष्ट्रीय मधुमक्खी पालन और शहद मिशन की बड़ी भूमिका है। इसके तहत मधुमक्खी पालन से जुड़े हजारों किसानों को ट्रेनिंग दी गई, उपकरण दिए गए और बाजार तक उनकी सीधी पहुंच बनाई गई।
A day-long conclave of National Democratic Alliance (NDA) chief ministers and deputy chief ministers was held in New Delhi today. The meeting was chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The meeting, organized by the BJP's Good Governance Department, focused on good governance issues. 20 chief ministers and 18 deputy chief ministers belonging to all 20 NDA-ruled states discussed good governance issues. Talking to reporters after the meeting, BJP President Jagat Prakash Nadda said that 2 resolutions were passed during this conclave. Mr. Nadda said that in the resolution on Operation Sindoor, the leaders hailed the valor and courage of Indian armed forces in targeting the terror hubs in Pakistan.
जातिगत जनगणना के विषय पर जिसको भारत की कैबिनेट ने मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में स्वीकृति दी है और ये हमारी कल्पना शुरू से थी। नीतीश कुमार जी की सरकार जिसने सबसे पहले इसका प्रस्ताव लाया था उसको भी ध्यान में रखते हुए और यह जातिगत जनगणना पर भी प्रस्ताव पारित हुआ।
Leaders at this conclave also discussed the best practices by different NDA state governments. Respective state chief ministers demonstrated representations on their initiatives. Meeting also deliberated upon forthcoming events, including first anniversary of NDA government formed on 9th of June last year, completion of a decade of International Yoga Day, and the 50th anniversary of imposition of emergency on 25th June. This is Akashwani Kohima giving you the news. For quick news updates, follow us on our X handles AIR News Alerts and AIR_Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News on Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. Welcome back. You are listening to the evening news. Chief Minister of Nagaland, Dr. Niphu Rio, attended the National Democratic Alliance ruled states Chief Ministers Conclave chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi today. Taking to social media, Dr. Rio said his government is committed to driving good governance and best practices for Viksit Bharat 2047. The Chief Minister also paid tribute to the heroes of Operation Sindoor and reaffirmed India's unity against terrorism and threats to peace. World Thyroid Day is being observed across the globe today to raise awareness about thyroid disorders, promote early diagnosis, and encourage proactive management of thyroid health. The day serves as a reminder for individuals to seek medical attention if they suspect any thyroid-related issues. The thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland located at the base of the neck. Though small in size, its role is enormous. It produces hormones that regulate critical functions, including metabolism, heart rate, body temperature, energy levels, menstrual health, and mental well-being. Common symptoms of thyroid disorders include unexplained weight gain or loss, swelling or a lump in the neck, sensitivity to cold or heat, mood swings, anxiety, depression, irregular menstrual cycles, thinning hair or hair fall, and constant fatigue. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship will convene the 38th meeting of the Central Apprenticeship Council (CAC) tomorrow at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. In a statement, the ministry said that the council, reconstituted in October 2024 under the chairmanship of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Minister Jayant Chaudhary, plays a pivotal role in advising the government on key policies related to apprenticeship training across the country. Ahead of the meeting, Mr. Chaudhary stated that the future of apprenticeships lie at the intersections of education, technology, and opportunity. This 38th CAC will deliberate on critical reforms, including digital and virtual mode apprenticeship delivery, provisions for global deployment of apprentices at client sites, enhanced stipend rates linked to inflation, and measures to support women, PWDs, and apprentices from NER. To end the news, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauds Indian soldiers for precision strikes during Operation Sindoor. Drone DDs bringing new revolution in agriculture, sugar boards being installed in schools, and protection of honeybees also find mention in today's Mann Ki Baat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairs meeting on good governance with Chief Ministers of NDA-ruled states, and Nagaland Chief Minister Dr. Niphu Ryo attends NDA Chief Ministers Conclave in New Delhi. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. We will be back with the morning English news at 7:30 tomorrow. Good night.